What's up, Throw Nerds? Here we are again at the Cotaland site for Circuit Breaker. I came up here and was excited to find out the tilt track was finally in place. I've been waiting for that piece to be put in for a while. It's looking good. I could see it all the way from the highway. And then this inversion was a big surprise for me, so I was excited to see that and the remainder of the track connecting to the brake run, as well as this lift piece that I covered a little bit last week. The inversion is looking awesome. I am excited. I hope that it's running a little slow through there. That'd be a little cool element if it gets a little hang time. I was out here on a Saturday and a Sunday actually, and on Saturday there was a really small skeleton crew working. On Sunday there was nobody out here. I was surprised because there was a lot of rain coming down off and on, but they were still out working hard. They put all the flags up, the Vekoma flag, the Dutch flag, and the American flag. Again, this element is looking awesome. Here is the maintenance area, as well as the station area over here that they're working on. This is going to be the queue area with some stairs up to the station. A really cool head chopper moment here, going under the tower. I didn't realize that the track went under the tower, but I looked back at the drawings and there it was. Here's another view of that inversion and the brake run. Now as we look up this hill, I've got a lot of information as far as what's going on in this whole section, which is a lot bigger than it looks like on this film. So as we go down the hill here, I've brought up that this is probably for the log flume, and it turns out it is. So I have some plans for the log flume here. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is exciting. Then going down the hill, I saw these footers being put in and I was confused on what was going on here, but it is in fact the T20 building, which is going to be a restaurant with a rooftop terrace. It's 2 stories, it's a very big building, with the terrace, which is pretty large as well. And then here's just another overview of this whole area. This is turn 20. There's some cars out here today. I think it's just hobbyists that come out here and drive on the track on the weekends. Again, it's really hard to get the scale of this area. It's pretty large. Now here we have the whole map of Cotaland. Here's the racetrack. And then this is like the Grand Pavilion area where there's a concert venue and a soccer field. So we'll start in Zone A here with Sky Blazer. It's going to go over a lake. Then we go down to the entrance of Palindrome. Now heading down to Zone B, we have a Music Express, which are always fun. This is an Evo Lux. I've never been on one. There's our Star Flyer, which I'm excited about. And then we have our Ferris wheel that's going to move just a little bit further down the hill. Here we are going to Zone C for the park. Here is our Octopus ride. I love those. This is our kind of like Spin Sanity they have at Fiesta Texas, and there's our Wacky Worm. These I have no idea what they are. Now heading down to Zone D. This section's a little darker because this was the area of focus for the drawing. There's a splash pad area, our pirate ship. This is like Speedway, and restrooms, and a bar, ice house. This is our mini little log flume, a mini Miami, and I have no idea what these guys are. And there's our log flume. Going down to Zone D or E here, this is flying scooters from the look of it. I really hope so. I'm gonna guess this is the carousel. I couldn't quite tell. And then we have our huge restaurant for the T20. Now heading down to Zones F and G. We did get that big air roller coaster from Myrtle Beach. I'm not excited about it. That is our drop tower, which I am very excited about. A telecombat ride. I've never been on one. I am excited about it. Space guns. There's some classic little kid airplanes. A S&S Scream and Swing. Here's the Texas Wildcat. It's moving. And then Circuit Breaker takes up this whole area with a nice little plaza. And that's it for today's update. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along with all the progress at Cotaland. I appreciate everybody for watching and have a good holiday season.